There's a whole strawberry hidden inside this mochi. Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making Strawberry Daifuku, a modern twist on a classic Japanese sweet filled with red bean paste. It's easy to make with just a microwave. Strawberry Daifuku is a Japanese sweet made of soft mochi wrapped around sweet red bean paste with a whole, fresh strawberry inside. Its flavor balances gentle sweetness with fresh, juicy tartness. It comes from a classic confection called Daifuku, traditionally filled with red bean paste. Its name literally means great fortune, and it has long been associated with celebration and good luck in Japan. Strawberry Daifuku beautifully combines seasonal freshness with wishes for happiness. In this recipe, we'll show you how to make it easily at home using just a microwave. Alright, let's start cooking. Remove the stems from the strawberries. If they're damp, gently pat them dry, as excess moisture can soften the bean paste and make wrapping more difficult. Divide the smooth red bean paste into equal portions and shape them into balls. Wrap each strawberry with the bean paste. Place the stem side down to make it easier to wrap the strawberry neatly. If the strawberries are quite tart, slightly sweetening the bean paste will help balance the overall flavor. In a heat-proof bowl, combine the shiratamako and sugar. Add the water. Mix well until smooth with no lumps remaining. Loosely cover with plastic wrap, then microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Mix well again. Then microwave for another 1 minute and 30 seconds. Stir vigorously, kneading the dough as you mix. When the dough becomes semi-translucent, glossy, and sticky, it's ready. If it's not fully cooked, microwave in additional 10-second increments. Transfer the dough onto a work surface dusted with potato starch. Lightly dust the top with more potato starch. Lightly coat your hands with potato starch. Wrap the bean paste wrapped strawberry with the dough, with the stem side facing down. Gently stretch the mochi downward to shape it. Flip it back and firmly seal the seam.
Itadakimasu!
The mochi is soft and delicate, gently melting in your mouth. The red bean paste brings a mellow, earthy sweetness, followed by the fresh strawberry bursting with bright, juicy tartness. The gentle acidity lifts the sweetness of the beans, while the tender mochi ties everything together in perfect balance. It's a harmonious blend of sweet, tart, and chewy, like a taste of early spring in every bite. For Strawberry Daifuku, the firmness of the red bean paste is crucial. If it's too soft, it becomes difficult to wrap, and excess moisture can seep into the mochi, causing it to lose its shape. The ideal consistency is firm enough that it doesn't feel sticky when rolled by hand and holds its shape when wrapped around a strawberry. If the paste feels too soft from excess moisture, gently heat it over low heat while stirring constantly. Alternatively, microwave it in short intervals, stirring each time until the moisture is reduced. Red bean paste burns easily, so avoid heating it too quickly. Let it cool completely before using. Maintaining the right balance of moisture ensures a beautiful finish and a delicate texture. Outside Japan, many people think of mochi simply as a sweet dessert, largely because of Daifuku and mochi ice cream. But originally, mochi is a traditional Japanese food made by steaming and pounding glutinous rice to create its distinctive stretch and elasticity. In Japan, mochi appears in many different forms, from sweet preparations like kinako mochi to savory dishes such as ozoni or grilled mochi. Because it keeps well and is quite filling, mochi has long been seen as a symbol of vitality, abundance, and prosperity. That's why it is often enjoyed on special occasions such as New Year's, weddings, and celebrations of a child's growth. In this way, even Strawberry Daifuku can feel like a small but meaningful treat, something you might enjoy at a special moment. If you enjoyed Strawberry Daifuku, we hope you'll explore other mochi dishes as well. Through mochi, you may discover a deeper understanding of Japan's food culture and traditions. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.